Hello and welcome to the introduction for this course. What you should know before you take this course: you should have a basic understanding of using a computer. Also, you should have some basic SQL knowledge and also relational database system knowledge. So if you have a basic example of, say, how a database like Oracle works, that would be helpful. You also need to know who this course is suitable for, because this course is an absolute beginner's course. So anyone who is a beginner database administrator, beginner data analyst, beginner system analyst, beginner forms developer, anyone who develops forms or intend to, beginners to IT, also anyone who wants to learn something new. So it's an absolute course for beginners. What will you learn? This is a very brief basic course. The objective is just to introduce you to application development using Oracle. So you learn how to download and install Oracle database, how to unlock Oracle sample schema. You also be downloading and installing TOAD for Oracle. This is a tool that is used to interact with Oracle databases. So we'll install it and also connect it to an Oracle database. You learn how to access APEX, and also how to create a workspace in APEX. You learn how to create a user account in APEX, how to create basic CRUD application. APEX is a tool that you use to create applications that are database driven from an Oracle database. So you learn how to hide sensitive data from an application view. So when you create an application, you can decide what view the end user sees. So you also learn how to publish the application that can be used for both mobile and desktop interfaces. Okay, the course is a video-based course and it's approximately just an hour. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.